Ever pondered over the buzzword machine learning? Wondered how it impacts our day-to-day lives, making them more efficient and convenient? Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is an innovative technology that enables software applications to become more precise in predicting results without explicit programming. It's like teaching a child to recognize patterns. Only with machine learning, the child is an algorithm, and the pattern is data. Now, you might be wondering what makes machine learning so special. Well, there are 4 key characteristics that set it apart. Firstly, it learns from data. The more data the algorithm is exposed to, the more accurate it becomes. Secondly, it excels at prediction. With enough historical data, these algorithms can predict future outcomes, be it predicting customer behavior, sales forecasts, or fraud detection. Thirdly, machine learning algorithms boast remarkable accuracy, especially when trained on extensive data sets. Lastly, these algorithms are adaptable. They can adjust to new data and changing circumstances, making them perfect for real-world applications. So where is machine learning used? The applications are endless. Online retailers utilize machine learning to recommend products based on your past purchase history and browsing behavior. Banks and credit card companies harness its power to detect fraudulent transactions. The medical field uses it to diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. And companies developing self-driving cars utilize machine learning to train their vehicles to navigate safely and avoid obstacles. Imagine wanting to predict whether a customer might cancel their subscription, a situation known as churn. The journey would start by gathering data on past customers, including their demographics, purchase history, and churn status. Once collected, the machine learning algorithm would be trained on this data, learning the patterns associated with churn. Once trained, the algorithm can predict whether a new customer is likely to churn by analyzing the new customer's data. Machine learning is indeed a potent tool, capable of solving a multitude of problems. However, it's essential to remember that these algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is inaccurate or incomplete, the predictions will be as well. In summary, machine learning, with its ability to learn from data, predict outcomes, offer high accuracy, and adapt to new data, is revolutionizing various industries. From recommending products to detecting fraud, from diagnosing diseases to driving cars, machine learning is paving the way for a more efficient and convenient future. But remember, the key to effective machine learning is accurate and complete data. So the next time you hear machine learning, you'll know it's not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool shaping our future.